Hello friends and welcome to English with Alex channel. Cleaning supplies. Dish towel. Dish towel. Iron. Iron. Ironing board. Ironing board. Scrubbing brush. Scrubbing brush. Cleaning cloth. Cleaning cloth. Sponge. Sponge. Washing powder, British English. Laundry detergent, American English. Bleach. Bleach. Liquid soap. Liquid soap. Rubber gloves. Rubber gloves. Dustbin, British English. Trash can, American English. Broom. Broom. Dustpan. Dustpan. Mop. Mop. Squeegee. Squeegee. Hose. Hose. Bucket. Bucket. Laundry basket. Laundry basket. Washing machine. Washing machine. Spray cleaner. Spray cleaner. Bean bag, British English. Trash bag, American English. Vacuum cleaner. Vacuum cleaner. Paper towel. Paper towel. Toilet bowl brush. Toilet bowl brush. Steel scourer. Steel scourer. Listen, repeat, practice. Thank you for watching. Hit the like, subscribe to our channel, and bye for now.